Guys, we are out on the big lake, Lake of the Woods. We've been doing a lot of backcountry, a lot of walking out, but now we brought out the Bearcat, and I'm just excited. I love doing the small lake thing, but come on, it's Lake of the Woods. So we're out here, been checking the ice as we go, 9 to 10 inches, pretty consistently where we've checked, but like Lake of the Woods is some pretty sneaky currents. So if you guys are coming out, you gotta be super careful about it. Talk to a local who knows where the current is, where the current isn't. Talk to my buddy Jade and talk to my buddy Blaine before I came out. Yeah, I'm pretty much just staying on the sled trails for now, but we're looking for walleyes tonight. And that's pretty much all I gotta say. My hands are getting kind of cold. Decided to go, run and gun super light with just the essentials here. And this is gonna come in pretty handy this winter. The Helix on the dash with the 1 foot map chip. Pretty amazing, pretty dialed, being able to just pull right onto a spot, and having on the dash is nice. So enough talking, we're gonna get set up, hopefully catch some Lake of the Woods walleyes. A little trick, before you pop your hole all the way through, it's pretty nice to kick some of that slush away, and then it just makes it easier when you do. I'm treating myself today. I'm making one for the transducer, one for the jigging rod. That's what we got going on. Sorry about the wind noise. We're on a 28, 30 foot hump. You guys know what the key to success is? Mobility is the key to success. And good audio. Good audio is key as well. All right, we're gonna turn on the Helix and have a little look for our next spot. All right, we're moving. Spot number 1, no bueno. I'm just happy to be back on the big lake. All right, what do we got here? 26 feet, we're on a nice little slope. Spot number 2, tungsten jig, Lake of the Woods, 14-pound walleye. Coming up. I want some walleye chowder. That was made a couple times when I was guiding, but I think that's gonna be the plan today. It's cold, it's windy, it's cold. All right, guys, we're moving again. Big mark coming in, big mark. I was gonna take the ice off, but oh man, this fish is coming quick. Holy smokes. Oh, he ate it. He ate it, we got him. Fish on. Oh man, we tried 4 or 5 different spots finally. Yes, perfect, nice walleye. First walleye of the season, guys, on Lake of the Woods. Not big, but this is gonna be a great eater. Oh man, just good to get that first one. So much fun bouncing around spot to spot. I was feeling a little discouraged, but just gotta stick it out, and we got a walleye on the board on just a chunk of minnow tail on that little tungsten jig. That's what did it. That fish came in so aggressive. We're fishing a extended point off this island, about 30 feet of water, and it is cold. The wind is picking up. It's nasty. This is probably like the 3rd or 4th time we've moved. Yeah, I think we're gonna have some walleye for dinner. Another fish, there's another fish. Come on, he's on it. Come on, baby. Come on. He's all over it. He's all over it. Oh, he's still there, he's still there. I think we're getting another chance. Oh, he just darted at it again. All right, I think we're gonna get another chance. Come on. Oh, I missed him again. He's gonna eat it again? Yes, we got him. Ooh, guys, we're on some fish. It took some moving around. I'm thinking perch. Oh, jumbo perch on the menu. Look at that. I hope you guys can hear me okay. This audio is probably pretty tough right now, but it is just frigid. All right, that guy's going in the back. Should I have brought the shack today? Absolutely. This is my first trip of the season on the snowmobile. I didn't know what ice thickness was gonna be. I didn't know what mobility was gonna be like out here. So I went super stripped down. Having that Helix on the dash is so key for just hole hopping to all these new spots. So I've been trying to stay as mobile as possible. This is probably the 4th or 5th spot. Jig and minnow getting it done. The fish have came in and they've been pretty aggressive, so that's a good sign. All right, guys, that's a wrap for part 1. We didn't crush the fish, but we caught enough for dinner, and I want to show you guys a new dish. We're not doing fried, we're doing something special. I gotta pack up, head back home. I'm pretty cold. Hey, all our gear worked. It was nice taking the sled out for the first time this year, and just great to be back on Lake of the Woods. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Welcome back to Sam's Kitchen. I didn't catch very many fish. I caught 2, but we're gonna make it last a little bit further. And this dish, I haven't cooked since my guiding days. I haven't cooked it for 5 or 6 years, and it was never like a staple dish for me because I didn't really cook it enough when I was guiding. But we're doing fish chowder today. We took a recipe we found online, and we're tweaking a little bit as we go. Should we get started? You need to see what's going on off the corner of the frame here. We have an audience. All right, first thing we are gonna do is chop up some bacon, get it into some small bite-sized chunks, and we're gonna get it cooking in a pot, and then we're gonna start slicing and dicing everything else, so here we go. You can't, I mean, it said 4 ounces of bacon, but we're gonna just probably double or triple that. I mean, this is 500 grams. Looks like a healthy serving of bacon. Behind the scenes, Rudy is monitoring. Let's see your glasses. That's good. All right, so we got the bacon chopped, onions, and this is what we're cooking in. We're gonna start by dropping that bacon in. We're gonna kind of put this bacon on medium, and you don't need it to get crispy, you just want it to be cooked, so we're gonna put it like a 6 or 7. Rudy, what do you think?
Rudy is staying a respectful distance away.
All right, so we're gonna let that bacon cook. Sam's chopping the onions, we're gonna chop some celery, and once the bacon's cooked, we're gonna throw everything in that pot. Oh my goodness. Are you crying? Show me the tears.
It's fine, we're fine.
This is like first person perspective.
It's giving me lots of chins.
All right, we got some potatoes. I'm gonna cube them. It says 1-inch cubes. It's said to peel the potatoes, but that's where all the nutrients is. So, we're not peeling potatoes. We wash them. Now we're doing some 1-inch cubes. All right, potatoes are cubed. Bacon is cooked, looking good.
Put it on some pepper.
But we want to keep that liquid. That's the good stuff for cooking the next batch. Should have done even more bacon. All right, now we're gonna add the celery and the onions, and we will add some butter shortly. There we go. All right, butter's going in.
The next ingredient is the salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Nope.
Ground black pepper.
Where do you go to get your salt and pepper?
No, this is what you want to show everybody. Anyways, we're gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. I don't know what that means, but we're just gonna add a bunch. We're just gonna keep going. Tell me when.
Oh, whoa. That's not, way too much.
Okay, whoa. The one thing we added to this recipe, which was not on it, is we took out the clam juice and we separated it for vegetable juice, broth, and we added some corn.
Vegetable juice.
1 cup of veggie juice. All right, we're gonna cube up the fish for later. Pretty small chunks, I think. Don't have as much fish as I'd like. We kind of struggled a bit tonight, but we caught fish, so it's a success. All right, next step. What's the next step?
Potatoes. Veggie juice.
It's called broth.
1 tablespoon at a time.
We're putting a lid on, letting it simmer for 15 minutes, and we will see you guys in a bit. We missed one thing. We need 1 cup of water plus the vegetable broth. Much better. All right, we will see you guys in 15 minutes.
We need to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Get out.
Welcome back. We are going to season the fish just with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna drop the fish on top. We're gonna close it back up. Fish is cooked. What is the next step, Samantha?
Jay decided that no chowder could be a chowder without some cream corn. No, not cream corn. Regular
Frozen corn. We need 4 cups of cream. That's a lot. Wow. Do you want to drain a little liquid? Oh, that cream. All right, 2 more. Oh, you're doing a full 4? Okay, wow. All right, we're adding the bacon. Okay, definitely could have used more fish. All right, we're gonna let it simmer for another 15 minutes.
I think we'll check on it in 10.
Is this the first taste?
Need some salt. That's enough. Way too much.
Okay, whoa, whoa. I like it. We're gonna add some cheese, a little shredded cheese on top. That wasn't in the recipe. All right, Sam, let's give it a shot. Fogging me up. Is that for me or for you?
Bueno.
Thank you guys for coming along on some mediocre fishing and some mediocre cooking. I'm gonna give it a little taste. It's actually pretty good, isn't it? Isn't it good? We're not just saying that for the camera. We're about to sit down at the table, say grace, and enjoy a beautiful Lake of the Woods dish. Thank you guys for watching. We will be back soon.